Garvin Industries strut straps are one of the most convenient ways to install conduit across strut channel. For fast and easy installation of strut straps, simply align it in the channel like so, twist it in place, and then slide your conduit directly through the opening. And it then can be tightened down using the set screw and the back nut. They come for EMT, rigid conduit, and also are available in a universal sizes that work with both rigid or EMT up to 1.25 inches. In addition to this, we also make a stainless steel version that is great for hazardous, wet, or outdoor locations. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.